The Supreme Court could soon hear another wedding cake case, this time from Christian bakers in Oregon who were hit with a massive fine and were forced to close their business after refusing to bake a custom wedding cake for a lesbian couple. They have now officially appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court. Joining me now, Melissa and Aaron Klein, the couple who own Sweet Cakes by Melissa, and Kelly Shackelford from First Liberty Institute heading up their legal proceedings. Great to have all of you with us.
Good to be here.
Thanks for having us
Right.
on.
Aaron and Melissa, I've been following your case for years as this has been going on. A lot of folks don't know all the twists and turns, and we don't have time to get into all of them, but you did lose your business. You've got a big family. How are you all faring now?
Well, Aaron's, he's working at a job, and so he's paying the bills.
You guys are surviving. Did you think that you would make it to the Supreme Court? Because now the justices will have to vote on whether or not to take your case, but it's possible that's where you'll end up.
Yeah, we really hope so.
Yeah, we're hoping they'll take the case.
Well, Kelly, I mean, you're leading that effort. I want to read something that you put in the petition to the court. You said the client served all customers, regardless of sexual orientation. This, too, was an expression of the client's faith, which teaches that all persons are made in the image of God and are therefore deserving of dignity. We know the clients had served this couple before, but it wasn't until they came for a custom wedding cake that the religious issues came to the forefront. And I know that you're really hammering on free speech issues as well and hoping to get the court to take this case.
Absolutely, Shannon. This shouldn't happen to any American. I mean, they've been, fined $135,000, had their business closed. There actually was a gag order at the beginning telling them not to speak publicly their beliefs about marriage. And this is a great case for the court to deal with this issue and really dispose of it for the whole country. This is about whether we have free speech or whether the government can come to people and say, you will speak our message that we want you to speak, or we will shut down your business. I can't think of a better set of facts with what's happened to Melissa and Aaron. And I wanted people watching this to realize, I mean, this is not just Melissa and Aaron. I mean, if the government can do this to them, they can do this to you. So I would encourage everybody to really be praying for Aaron and Melissa. Go to firstliberty.org. You can look at all their facts. You can pray for them. You can follow their case. But this is a great case for the court to deal with this issue and hopefully protect all Americans.
Well, Kelly, we know the last big case shortly before Justice Kennedy announced his retirement really didn't resolve these questions. But folks on the left say, and I've got a stack of quotes and articles here from people who say that what you're asking for is a license for people to discriminate by using their religion.
Yeah, absolutely not. I mean, as you mentioned, Aaron and Melissa served everybody. They served this couple. It's only when people are being asked or forced by the government to express a message that they can in their own conscience express that there's a conflict. And we've always believed that the government can't force people to say things they don't believe. If we ever give the government that power, God forbid what happens to our freedoms in this country. So this is a really important case for every American. I mean, people have different beliefs on same-sex marriage, but I think what we can all agree on is people have a right to have different beliefs on same-sex marriage.
Aaron and Melissa, we got to go, but I want to ask you, would you do this again had you known where this would take you?
Again, this is nothing we'd ever want to hurt anybody with. We never wanted to be in this situation, but I have to say, I don't take it back. We have to live out our religious beliefs, and that's what we aim to do.
Well, this will soon go to the justices for a private vote. You need at least 4 of those votes, and then the case to actually be heard. We'll track it along with you. Keep us updated. Thank you all.